I'm Senator Matthew Urogide. I represent Edo South Senatorial District. Mr. President, my very distinguished colleagues, I consider it a privilege to make contribution to this bill that is being sponsored by Senator Adeola Solomon. Mr. President, first let me say I'm not particularly against the sponsor of this bill, but I just believe that this bill must be properly proceeded. Let us start from the definition. Niger Delta Development Commission. Today, the area that constitutes Niger Delta is very clear. The 9 states of the Niger Delta region that make up the region that the commission is serving are very clear. Senator Sakibo just mentioned the issue of oil production and the quota. Today, what each state gets from 30% derivation is a function of production. That's not where I'm going. Today, Gombe is already or fast becoming a host community. Bauchi and some of these other states. But to take these states to say that they belong to Niger Delta region, it's not possible. In as much as I will agree that if there is a percentage that is meant for states that produce oil, be they in Sokoto, be they in Yobe, let them of course benefit from whatever percentage that they make for oil production. That does not make them to be part of the Niger Delta. I think we should proceed it properly. If the idea is that we want to share out of the 13%, they are at will as long as they produce oil. But to say that they must belong to Niger Delta, it makes mockery of the original idea in the creation of NDDC. NDDC that was created as a commission is an interventionist commission or body to mediate the long dilapidation or degradation of the environment. So I think we should be able to draw the line. The whole idea behind this bill is to benefit from 30% derivation. This same parliament can go ahead and make it 50%, make it 70% that everybody can benefit from. But to take one region in the north or take one state in the southwest and go and bring it to the south-south, this bill now will, so to make it Niger Delta Development Commission, you want to amend the act to bring in Ogun, to bring in Bauchi. I think Mr. President makes mockery of the original idea. Mind you, in 2001, this was the only bill that was vetoed by the National Assembly. And your very good selves from the other parts of the country, after having visited the region, you saw the level of dilapidation. You saw the misery. You saw the underdevelopment in the region. President Obasanjo was the president of Nigeria at that time. But the National Assembly vetoed it when he refused to sign that bill. So the sanctity of it and what must be maintained. We must be reminded the philosophy that was behind that bill and eventually that act. So Mr. President, I want to crave the indulgence of my colleagues, the sponsor of this bill, that you should capture it, the long title properly, but the way it is now to bring other states in the north and the southwest into the Niger Delta makes a mockery of the whole idea. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The DSP.